forward to some real solid activity beginning today. I'm pleased to join you for the intersectorial national cleanup campaign against dengue. Now, let us look at a few things and try and understand where we're coming from. And dengue is an endemic disease in Fiji, and so is it in lots of other developing countries. Endemic, basically, it's around, and we need to be cautious. And at certain times of the year, it peaks. Recently, we know there's deaths already taking place off-season in Malaysia. It has reached the shores of Australia, Northern Territory. Various island groups such as Vanuatu, Tonga, Cooks are being affected like we are being affected at present. And even New Zealand is preparing to protect itself. Half the world's population is subjected to dengue. And we have seen dengue episodes and outbreaks occurring in Fiji every 5 years. It is important for us to take cognizance of what is happening. We're close to 9,825 cases already notified as suspected dengue cases in Fiji. And in fact, last week we recorded close to 1,400 new suspected cases. The Central Division is the epicenter, and the center, we're seeing lots and lots of cases in Valelevu, Makoi, Samambula area. And we are also now seeing increasing number of cases in the west because our people travel a lot, and a few cases in the north are also taking place. We've had a few cases in Kandavu also. Before you embark today on this cleanup campaign, which we are initiating today, and it'll be something which we look forward to all our people in Fiji working for in the next month. Now, we must understand, the Bible says, without knowledge, people perish. And that's a word of wisdom to all of us. We also know that dengue is caused by a virus which is present in the mosquito. Once you are attacked by dengue virus, you will get the infection. Some will be able to fight it off, others will slide very quickly into a severe state, and some even die. There is no vaccinations against dengue. There is no specific cure for dengue. We can only support you and assist you so that you can build your resistance to fight it. But yes, we can prevent it. We can prevent it by very simple measures. We must rid ourselves of breeding spaces of mosquitoes. We must ensure that there is no stagnant water around us. We must ensure that man-made containers such as tires, pot plants do not hold water, stagnant water, where mosquitoes breed, and then that becomes the focus from where the infection spreads. We are grateful for Public Service Commission and the Cabinet endorsement for this intersectorial cleanup against dengue. And I'm quite confident that in 4 weeks' time, we would have tidied up our environment, our homes, our communities, our cities, and all that lies in between. So if we can work together to destroy all man-made mosquito breeding sites in your community and household, you need to be able to put all the tires, the drums, and other containers onto the roadside for our municipal authorities to pick up. And we clear our gutters and tanks and allow free flow of flowing water. We rid our pot plants of stagnant water and water vases, flower vases, and ensure that water which you may be storing in your compound for drinking or other purposes is covered, so it does not breed mosquitoes. It is an all-out war against dengue, because you already know that we have lost 8 lives through dengue in Fiji. So this campaign is just the beginning, and we must work effortlessly towards this. The enemy, ladies and gentlemen, is the mosquito. There is no human enemy here. And the great Chinese military strategist Sun Tek said, "Know thyself, know thy enemy. 1,000 battles, 1,000 victories." So I trust that this message to you today will catalyze into action so that you can help yourselves, you can help the Ministry of Health serve you better if you prevent the onset or prevent the dengue virus from spreading and causing you to become sick and losing relatives, losing friends, losing useful members of our community. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our development partners and sponsors for this campaign, and for the invited guests who have come along to see this campaign off to a good start. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, I officially launch the National Cleanup Campaign against dengue for this year 2014. I wish you all the best today. Have a blessed day.
It shall be fruitful, and you are able to overcome every sickness and disease and everything that has been.
Repellent, is that not enough?
24.
Can we call on the customer? Huh?
Do a quick customer.